This video was brought to you by Snapfit Collectibles, your source for top-quality third-party model kits. Fuel your passion at Snapfit Collectibles, and in partnership with Stedi. Enjoy DIY life.
Hello Gunpla peeps! We're gonna take a look at this P Bandai HGUC Varguil bootleg from JJ. Tara, let's! The AMS-123X Varguil is a mobile suit from the manga Mobile Suit Moon Gundam. It is piloted by a cyber new type named Agos Lagarto. The Varguil was originally a prototype for the Sazabi, but later became damaged and was subsequently recovered by the inhabitants of Moon. They replaced its damaged head with a Gundam head from the Psycho Gundam G-Doors, repainted the mobile suit, and rebranded it as the Moon Gundam. Going back to the kit itself, the original P Bandai version was released in April 2020 for 2,750 yen, and it was re-released in May 2024 at the same price, equivalent to around $18 and around 1,054 pesos. However, this JJ brand version is priced at around $10 or 600 pesos. So as a premium Bandai bootleg, it's an appealing option, especially since the original is now harder to find and quite expensive. Let's see if this more affordable alternative is worth it. For the aesthetics and plastic quality, the JJ brand seems to be doing a solid job, with their molds showing impressive precision. Similar to the Moon Soldier, this kit has consistent plastic texture with well-defined edges and corners. Even the smallest details are crisp and visually striking. The purple color is so vibrant, it might even make you crave for some purple yam dessert.
Wow!
The only issue I encountered with the plastic quality is with one of the fuel tanks. There's an incomplete mold in this area and I had to use glue to fix it. This problem appears to be a common issue as noted by other reviewers, but not a big deal for me, to be honest. For adding the default details, instead of the usual stickers, the kit includes a small water slide decal sheet. This even covers the mono eye. So for now, I've opted to use a simple red dot sticker from my spare decals for the mono eye. Overall, the aesthetics and plastic quality have met my expectations. For our final verdict, I can confidently say that this Varguil bootleg from JJ is worth both the hype and the price. At just $10 or 600 pesos, it offers great value for its overall quality. The surface finish and plastic are impressive with good detailing and impressive colors. I completed this build in about 3.5 hours, and you can check out my live build if you're interested. The process was smooth with minimal fitting issues, around 10%, and no significant frustrations. The only drawback was a factory defect on the fuel tank, but that's the only notable issue. Overall, it's a satisfying purchase for the price. You can grab this awesome kit now at SnapFit Collectibles. It's available for pre-order and will ship out in late December 2024. Check the link in the description for more details. For more Gunpla and toy reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Young at Soul.